Hey guys, what's going on? Driving with Stu here, and we're doing a Tag Customs 101, how to swap the tops on your Jeep Wrangler JL. I'm here with one of my customers, China. She bought this gorgeous Jeep Rubicon from me about a year ago, and we've got everything laid out today. We're gonna switch everything for you guys. You can see exactly how it's done, and you can swap the top on your Jeep confidently and easily. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start off with the front two panels. They're super easy to take off. We've just got a few little clamps inside. So if you wanna swing in the back here and have a look. So as you can see, we've got a few clamps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very easy, boom. We got one piece off. And most Jeeps come with a Freedom Panel storage bag, so you can actually zip these away nice and protected in the flannel protective pouch there. So, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. One tedious little part, but very important, is we have to disconnect the rear windshield wash and defroster cables here just inside. So if you have a look, okay, so you press this little tab down and then boom, pulls out just like that. We got our nice little Jeep Torx kit, comes with the vehicle for taking your roof off. And we've got 3 bolts per side on the bottom back of the hardtop, and then 1 bolt on each side up at the front. And I'll show you right up here, right up top. There we go. Now this guy goes right in the back in your convenient little bolt storage here in the back of your Jeep. So boom, roof bolts, windshield, door hinges if you decide to take those off. Everything's labeled for you nice and clean, easy to get to, and then all your bolts are safe and secure in the back. All right.
Break time! Be right back!
You want to build your next vehicle, whether it be a 4x4 overland rig, a performance street car, or a lifted truck. We'll walk you through every step of the build to ensure your dreams become your reality. To get started, send us an inquiry at tagcustoms.com.
Next up, we got these bad boys. They go right here. These are actually going to catch the bottom of the rear window panel when you close the back of the Jeep. So put those on like so. Don't have to be too tight, just nice and snug. You gotta take these panels off. They pop off just like that. Very easy. All right, now we've got these 2 plates. These are actually gonna support the soft top mechanism, and they get bolted right on. All right, so next up we gotta install the front track. This is what the soft top hardware is gonna slide on as you clip it up to the front of the Jeep. Oh, I was right. like a glove. Beautiful. When you take apart one of these Jeeps, you really see how much design and time and effort they took going into this to make sure everything fit perfectly. Nice, solid, snug fit on everything. A few more pieces and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So if you look just on the top here, there's a little screw, and that's gonna fall down in that little notch on the top of that steel plate. Okay? If you wouldn't mind coming back, and then let's try and get both sides. Okay, I got mine on there. Okay, we're in. All right. Super close. Oh, there we go. She just popped right into place. Before I tighten that off all the way, and I get the other side started. Okay, actually that's perfect.
Break time! Be right back!
You got everything you need to get outfitted and roll in style right here at tagcustoms.com. I'm talking wheels, rims, tonneau covers, mud flaps, anything you need right here at tagcustoms.com. Your home for everything, parts and accessories.
All right, moment of truth. Unlock these little switches underneath here. So it keeps everything in place when you're going down the highway. So we're gonna unlock those. Make sure we're in place up top. Perfect. Now we want to secure the soft top up front with these two clamps. 1 and 2. That's it. We just got to put on our side panels and a rear panel. We'll finish that up right now. So there's this little rubber piece. Yeah. It's got to slide right in here, and it's super tricky to get it kind of started. Mm-hmm. But once you do, then it goes in. Yeah. Yep. And there's a little Velcro, so you line it up with the front Velcro. And then this little green flap goes in underneath here.
Oh, okay, folding first.
Yeah.
It does sound nice.
Yeah. And then again on the bottom here, same thing.
Slide it slips underneath.
Yep. There you go. Do you want to give this one a go?
Yeah,
okay. So right here, that's where you're gonna start it. Perfect. All right, last but not least, the rear panel. So again, this just kind of slides up inside here. And then this piece goes right in here. So whenever you want to quickly open your back panel, all right, you want to put something big in the back. Let's do this. Pull this. That one. And then just go. There you go.
If you're feeling ready to join us on the trails, come to Tag Customs and get equipped for adventure. Get a Jeep, lift it, put a winch and some lights on that boy, and get out there. And be sure to share all your great adventure stories with us online.
So there you have it, guys, how to swap your hard top to your soft top on the Jeep JL Wrangler. So any Jeep JL from 2018 new body all the way to 2022. If you want to get your very own soft top and enjoy it this summer, click the link below and we can get one ordered up for you, delivered to your door, and you can watch this great video to get ready for summer. Thanks for watching.